The palace acknowledges former Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin's clarification regarding the manner of his transition. As he himself stated in his interview, he submitted himself to the President's discretion and prerogative as part of the ongoing reorganization. The palace announcement was issued in line with this understanding and with due regard for stability and continuity in governance. At nagkausap naman po sila ng Pangulo face-to-face at let us just leave it at that. Ang pina-announce po sa atin ay galing sa palasyo at kung ano po naramdaman ni E.S. Bersamin, yun din po na ginagalang po natin ang kanyang nararamdaman. At kung ano po ang sinabi lamang po ng palasyo, yun lamang po ang ating in-announce.
The former executive secretary denied that he resigned out of his own accord. So ano po yung totoong reason kung bakit po siya tinanggal at sino po yung nagpatanggal?
Muli, binanggit na po natin ang ating sagot at sila'y nagkausap na po. At sinabi nga po natin, pabayaan na po natin at sila naman po ay nagkausap na.
I'm sorry, hindi namin pwede pabayaan because the taxpayers who are funding the government and are actually paying the salaries of this administration is actually asking for the truth from the palace. Bakit po natanggal yung executive secretary at sino po yung nagpatanggal sa kanya?
Hindi ko po masasabi kung sino po nagpatanggal sa kanya. Binanggit ko po, hindi ko po alam kung sinong kausap niya. Kung yun pa ang nababasa ng palasyo, dahil sinabit niya naman po ang sarili niya sa President's prerogative, yan lang po ang ating masasabi. At tinanggap po ang sinasabing resignation.